Shelley Teller. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog. It is currently Monday. Monday like afternoon, evening, and right now we're painting the walls. Trying to get some of this started. So right now my boyfriend's doing the family room wall, and this wall is gonna be all black, as you can see. So he's doing the corners right now, and I can already see it. I feel like it's gonna look freaking amazing. And I'm thinking of doing these walls white. I really think I'm gonna do it because with the black wall, I feel like it just needs to be brighter now that I can see the contrast. But oh my gosh, this looks so amazing. I can't wait till that's done. And currently I'm working on the kitchen. So I'm going ahead and like priming all the corners in the kitchen right now. And so you guys can see the before and after. This is the kitchen blue. Here's an update on the wall. So I'm taking a break from painting. I look kind of crazy right now, but I'm just in the house, so don't worry about it. But making some little tiny enchiladas for dinner. Also, another update on the wall. Look how it looks. This is like through the kitchen too. Okay, so this is the finished wall. It's still drying, but I love it. It looks great. Showing you guys an update on the kitchen. Sorry, I'm eating with Twizzler. But this is how the wall looks now. I'm loving it. I can now visualize it being white, and that's the paint there. I'm still working on it. I still got the rest of this half to go, but we're almost there. I can do this. Hey y'all, so it is now like 10 o'clock at night. I pretty much went to go get the wax, and then after that I had a few things to do. Nothing interesting, but now it's a little bit later, and me and Bae are gonna go to, where are we going? Vortex. So we going to Vortex, and we're gonna eat. We're pretty hungry because we haven't ate since earlier today. I'm pretty simple. I'm wearing a black dress. I have my shawl just in case it gets cold, and then I got my red clutch and some shoes. Just keeping it simple. But this is actually my first time going to Vortex. I'm excited. Yay! Hey guys, what's up? It's a new day and probably gonna be the last day of this vlog. I am about to go get my nails done. I was supposed to go in this vlog, so I decided to just add this one into here. I think there was a few things that I wanted to catch you guys back up on. My boyfriend got a four-wheeler, so I wanted to show you guys the four-wheeler because I didn't really get too much clips when we did go and get it. I still need to get my nails done. I still have the same nails. I was gonna get them done the other day, but I just had so much things. I feel like I have so little time, but I just had so much things that I had to get done. So that didn't end up happening. So I'm gonna go do that now. This place that I'm trying is a new place. I just want them to do a French tip. So hopefully they do a good job because ain't nobody got time to be spending money on nails and they look garbage. I hate when that happens. And I hate going to new nail salons, but whatever. The other one that I usually go to is too far. There's too much traffic right now. So I'm gonna try them out and see how it turns out. Hopefully good, fingers crossed. This is the four-wheeler and it's been painted. He did his own like little custom paint job. I love it, y'all know I love black. And then it's like shiny and matte. It looks really nice. This is a Raptor. Hey y'all, so guess I'm not getting my nails done after all. I went to the nail salon and then when I got there, there was like a wait. So the person was like, oh, what do you need to get done? I told him fill in, and then he said the wait. He's like, there's the wait, and I was like, okay, how long? He's like, I don't know. And I'm like, I don't know, like, you know, my time is valuable, like I got other stuff to do, like. So I kind of was just like in my head, you know, I kind of wanted to know a time. So I was like, okay, can you give me an average? He couldn't give me an average, so that means I could be anywhere waiting from 30 minutes to like an hour, and I don't have the time for that today. I gotta finish painting these walls, so I'm probably gonna wait till the morning to get my nails done. So that'll probably be in the next vlog. So this is gonna be the last part of this vlog. You guys are gonna get to see me finish out this kitchen, or at least finish the next coat of paint. So let's get her done. I don't want to do her. I don't want to do it. But let's get her done. Hey guys, what's up? It is the next day. I finished that coat of paint that I did in the kitchen. Let me show y'all actually real quick. I still have the fridge moved and stuff, but this is how it looks with the next coat of paint, which is pretty good. Like, I feel like it'll probably only need one more coat because I went like pretty thick on the primer. So it's looking pretty good. Let me actually do it this way so you guys can tell from the light. But this is how it looks now. It looks pretty good. So yeah, I don't know when I'm gonna do it, but I need to put another coat on the wall, and I feel like I'll be done with the kitchen. I know I said I was gonna end the vlog, but I think I decided that I'm not I would keep going because it was kind of short. It was kind of short, and plus I am, I guess, doing a few things today. Right now I'm starting a smoothie diet, and I have been just drinking smoothies. So the goal is to drink smoothies strictly. So I'm going on a little smoothie diet because I've just been eating crazy. I pretty much eat what I want, like, all the time. So that means a lot of carbs, a lot of just stuff I shouldn't be eating. Pizza rolls, french fries. So I'm on a smoothie diet right now. I'm drinking this smoothie. It's Planet Smoothie. I got the Mediterranean Madness. I think that's what it's called, Mediterranean Madness. It has strawberry. Guys, don't pay attention to my nails. I know they look crazy, but it has strawberry in it. It has orange juice in it and bananas, I think. It's simple. I'm about to head out. I'm going to the baby shower. So I'm trying to finish up my makeup. I feel like I just need to put some mascara on so I don't look crazy. So we don't look crazy. I hope this stands. Guys, my camera is broken. I don't know what's wrong with it. My camera is so broken, but I need to find my mascara. You know the one thing that I forgot? Lipstick. I forgot to wear lipstick. But it's alright. Everything will be alright. Oh. What's up, you guys? So it's a little later. We've arrived to the baby shower. And there's so much food, but I can't eat it. I don't think I'm gonna eat anything because, like I said, smoothie. I'm really trying to do this for at least a week. Straight smoothie diet. What we gonna do after, bae?
I don't know. What was we doing?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know. But
I heard there was some kind of after party, but it's up to you.
yeah, I think I have makeups on your nose.
Because it's in my mask.
Come on, honey, get for you want to give. She wants to give. She said she loves.
I had to turn it off for me because I was eating.
What my baby food thing?
Right here.
Don't give me yours, Keith. You probably lost. Then again, I'm not getting them baby food.
Nah, it's sorry, just a fart. Alright, y'all, this is it for today's for this vlog. Say bye to the vlog, Christian. Say bye, vlog. Alright, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Shelley Teller.